Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your Wi-Fi which is not connected but it is in no internet access. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so the very first step is you need to disable your proxy server, and how to do that. At the bar, type control panel and then click on open to continue. So the moment this new window will appear, if your window doesn't look like this, go for view by and make it in small icons so that it will look like this. Okay. So here you need to look for network and sharing center. Just simply click on it and go for the very bottom of your screen. It has this internet options. Just simply click on that and this small window will appear. Here you need to go for connections. Okay, you can see connections next to content. Click on it and then go for LAN settings. Okay, so you need to make sure that this automatically detect settings is checked or enabled and this proxy server is disabled. Okay, so once done, click on OK to apply and then OK. So let's see if that's the very first step that you must done to fix your Wi-Fi problem. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's close this window and proceed to the settings. Here, let's type settings and then go for open. Okay. So once you're here at the settings, at the search icon, which you will see at the left side of your screen, type network settings. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you will see here Ethernet settings. Just simply click on it and make sure that aligning this DNS server, it is in automatic. So let's say, for example, it is in manual in your case. Just simply click on edit, okay, and click this down arrow here and make sure that it is in automatic. Okay, once done, click on save to apply and check if your Wi-Fi has internet again. Okay, and let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to search for network reset. And then click on this first result here, and you need to click on reset now. Okay, so most of the cases, once they reset their network, must be the Wi-Fi problem will be fixed. Okay. So the moment you click on reset now, just have to restart your computer and check if your Wi-Fi has internet again. And let's say if it doesn't fix your problem, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to run your command prompt. Okay, sorry for that. Here at the search button, type CMD for short and then click on Run as Administrator. So the moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected here in this new window. Here you need to reset your WinSAC. Now how we could reset that, just have to input this command which is netsh WinSAC reset. Okay. So I'll be mentioning this in the description box below. So just have to copy it and then paste by pressing Control V and then click on enter. Okay. So once done, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay. So you have to restart your computer and check if your Wi-Fi has internet again. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next command, which is to paste this netsh and IP reset. Okay, Control C, then Control V. Okay, then click and enter, and it will reset your network. Okay, So once done, this restart the computer to complete this action will appear. Okay. So it asks you to restart your computer to complete a certain action. You just have to restart your computer and check if your network is working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then we need to reset our DNS. Then how we can do that? Just simply, release your DNS. Just have to copy this and then Control V. Okay, so once you release your Ethernet, you need to again renew the internet. How? The DNS. How? Just have to type this ipconfig space / renew. Since we release our DNS, then we need to renew it. Just simply copy this and then Control V, then click enter to renew your DNS. Okay, just have to wait until this is done. And once done, you need to flush the DNS. So mostly in some cases, when the uh flush the DNS, mostly the issue will be fixed. So just have to flush your DNS. How? Just input this command ipconfig flush DNS and then Control V to paste and click on enter. Okay? So once it says here successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, you need to restart your computer, okay? And once you launched again your Windows, you check if your Wi-Fi has internet again. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's close this window and let's proceed to the last and very important step, which is mostly fix the problem. Let's go for device manager. So in your keyboard, press Windows and R key together and then type devmgmt.msc, then click enter to proceed. So the moment you click on that, this device manager will appear, okay? Here you need to look for network adapters. Once you find it, it is actually next to monitors. Just simply click this forward arrow and here you need to identify what is your system currently connecting to. In my case, I am in MediaTek Wi-Fi wireless LAN card. Just simply click on it, do a right click and go for update driver. Okay? And since you are not able to connect an internet in your Wi-Fi, then go for browse my computer for drivers. And go for the second one, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on it. And here you will be able to see the drivers present in your computer. Okay, so in my case, I have only one, but in your case, I am sure that you have 2 to 3 options. Now, here, since we're rolling back the driver, you need to test Band 1 and click on next and see what works best for you. Okay, so just click one by one and identify what driver is working best for you. Okay, so once done, just simply close this and restart your computer. Okay, so those are the steps, actually 7 to 8 steps, basic steps that will help you to fix your Wi-Fi problem. And if your problem has been fixed using the steps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.